Hi guys, welcome back to Adventures with TT. I hope you guys been having an amazing week. Today we'll be making flan. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's just dive into it. Okay, first you need a sugar. You need a half cup of sugar and a little pot. Okay, and I'm getting my half cup of sugar. I'm turning my stove on. So now the sugar in the pot, and the sugar will be, you will let the sugar melt. It have to be dark gold brown, not black, but the sugar will be melting. So we just have to let the sugar sit and melt for a while. Then we have to get to the other ingredients. You will need 4 eggs. You will also need 3 teaspoons of vanilla extract. You need 1 can of evaporated milk. And you also need 1 can of condensed milk. So I'm just peeling it off to wash it. I'm washing all my milk top. And I'm going to be... Oh, now, as you see, the sugar is melting. So we're almost there. So if you want it really sweet, at this point the sugar is all right. But if you don't want it too sweet, just let it get brown a little bit more. Which, as for me at this point, as you can see, the sugar is all right. So I'm turning the stove off. So you will also need a glass baking sheet. That's okay for the oven. So I'm using this glass bowl. I am going to pour my sugar into the glass bowl. So after that, I'm just going to swirl it around the glass bowl. So at this point, it's all right. I have the sugar exactly where I want for it to be. So I'm going to take the glass bowl and put it into the freezer. This, the other ingredient, continue putting everything together. So, of course, you need to open up to open all your milk. So there you go. Now I'm going to open this one. There you go. So I'm going to pour everything together in my mixer. Make sure you get everything out. And by the way, this I'm making it for, it will be serving about 8 people. So if you want it more, you can use about 8 eggs. But I'm using 4 eggs for right now because the serving is for 8 people. I'm putting everything in here. I'm going to turn on my blender, and I'm just going to blend it on medium for 5 minutes. While it's blending, I'm going to turn it open. Okay, now and then blend it for 5 minutes, so it's time to turn it off. So I just make sure I turn the blender off, and you will need a cooking pan. So when you have the cooking pan, you have to put water into it a little bit. You're going to use your cooking pan to bake. So I'm going to put it right here. Then I'm going to get the sugar out. So I have it right here. So now I'm just going to open everything up and just literally pour it into this. Okay, now I already poured everything into that. So I have my water in the cooking pan. It's time ready to go. I'm going to put it in the cooking pan. So it's on preheat. Now I'm going to get my aluminum foil. So I have my foil. First I need to cover the pan itself. So I have to cover it very nicely. You want to make sure the heat doesn't escape. So usually you want to put another layer over this because the baking bowl we're using is big for the cooking bowl. So we're just going to cover the baking sheet and just leave that part open. And the stove preheated onto 350, and you're also going to bake it on 350 for 1 hour. So now I'm going to put it in here. I'm going to bake on 350 for 1 hour. So the stove is on, everything ready. So we're just going to whip, and I'm going to be right back to show you the finished product. Stay with me. Well, so just to let you guys know, I prepared this earlier because the entire process takes about 3 hours. 1 hour to bake and 2 hours in the refrigerator. So, hey guys, this is the finished product. And look how fabulous this look. Well, I can say it myself, it look yummy. Well, don't forget to tell me which video you want to see next, what you want me to make. Leave comment. And also don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you can be the first to know when I post new video. I hope all of you have a blessed week and see you next week with Adventures with Titi. Well, adios. I am about to have some of this. Bye, boys. And it's time for you to peace out.